Welcome America, welcome India, and welcome Selena Gomez to the live studio recording of pre-calculus in room 202. Today, we are going to be quickly reviewing to find the exact values of the following trig functions. So we've already done these problems in advance, so let's see what we can do. So first, where is 3 pi over 4? 3 pi over 4, 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4. We got a middle angle in the second quadrant, right here. Sine of that middle angle, we're in the second quadrant, sine is y, so it's going to be positive, and that's a middle angle, so it's root 2 over 2. Done. I know that's a lot of words, but once you figure out where the angle is, it should be pretty quick. Next problem. Tangent of pi over 2. We should immediately know that's undefined. I'm just going to write undefined. Okay, because this ordered pair around the circle, x goes first, y goes second, x is 0, y is 1. Tangent is y over x, or sine over cosine, but that's just 1 over 0, so it's going to be undefined. Questions? Number 8. Tangent, pi over 3. This is one of the ones I asked you to memorize. Tall angle, first quadrant, we know it's going to be positive. Tangent of pi over 3 versus the tangent of pi over 6. These are the ones that people get confused. That's a short angle, that's a tall angle. This is root 3. And this one, tangent of pi over 6, is root 3 over 3. Just have them memorized. Good? I'll make your life easy. Because the middle angles with tangent are really simple. They're either 1 or negative 1, depending on what quadrant they're in. And the last two are 14 and 18. And there are a couple different ways to do these problems. So we'll start with, so where is negative 5 pi over 3, okay? So if I go thirds, right? And we're going negative, so we're going this direction. So that's 1 pi over 3 would be right here, boom. 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, 5 pi over 3, right here, okay? So if you took your negative 5 pi over 3 and tried to find coterminal angle between 0 and 360, like we've learned, you would add 6 pi over 3. You're going to get pi over 3. Same location, right? So this is a different ways of looking at the same problem. So now, what's the sine of 5 pi over 3? Tall angle. Sine is y. We're going up. That's going to be, long distance is root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Now, if you wanted to look at this in terms of even and odd functions, and you know that sine is odd, you could look at this as the negative out. This is negative sine of positive 5 pi over 3, okay? Then you'd say, all right, well, where's 5 pi over 3? Well, 5 pi over 3, if you're going the other way around the circle, because now it's positive, is going to be almost 6 pi over 3. It's down here, okay? Well, that would be negative because y is negative when it's going down, but there's a negative waiting for it in front, so it ended up being positive. So no matter how you look at the problem, you're still going to get the same answer. Whether you use even odd functions, whether you use coterminal angles, whether you use, just look for that value as a negative angle, okay? And the last one is really similar. So negative 5 pi over 6. Okay, do I want to find where that angle is? Let's go ahead and find it. Negative. So I'm going to be going this direction. Negative 5 pi over 6. Well, negative 5 pi over 6 is almost, 6 pi over 6 is pi, so it's almost that. So that's going to be here. It's going to be a short angle in the second quadrant. So we know tangent, or sorry, third quadrant, right? Third quadrant. Tangent is going to be positive because x and y, or sine and cosine, are both negative, which is going to make tangent positive. So I had you guys memorize, what is the tangent of pi over 3 in the first quadrant? Or sorry, pi over 6. Right? What's the tangent of the short angle in the first quadrant? Tangent of pi over 6. This angle is going to have the same value. That's just root 3 over 3. This one's going to have the same value. We're just in a different quadrant, so we have to check the sign. We already determined it's going to be positive because tangent is positive in the third quadrant. And that's it. Peace out.